Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. We begin with a developing story. Investigators in St. James are currently probing the scene where a woman was shot and killed during a police confrontation with the police in Granville, St. James. The victim has been identified as Latoya Bulgin. We were told that Ms Bulgin was among a group of residents in the community planning a protest for the 17-year-old who was killed during another confrontation with the police days ago when the incident happened. Our news team is still trying to get an official update from the police. However, Member of Parliament for St. James West Central, Marlene Malahoo Forte says, based on what she has observed, the police commissioner may have to intervene immediately.
The investigation will be greatly assisted. From all indications, it doesn't look good at all. It's no secret that the community is tense on the heels of the Mother's Day shooting, fatal shooting. My understanding is that a protest was organized, peaceful protest, and that the person who was shot, she was on the scene, and let me tell you, I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all. I don't like what the people are saying, what they're saying about policing.
TVJ News also spoke with one of the relatives of Ms Bulgin.
I'm a cousin, you know. Are your cousin killed? I pay idiot thing I go on, man. Pay idiot thing I go on, daddy. You know, right? What she could have done, you know? See if I'm not sure.